Living with heart disease or diabetes means taking extra care of yourself. It's not just about managing your condition, but also about making proactive choices that can significantly improve your quality of life. You can live a long and healthy life. By incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine, you can enjoy more moments with your loved ones and engage in activities that bring you joy. Making small changes to your lifestyle can make a big difference. Simple actions like choosing to cook a nutritious meal or taking a brisk walk can have profound effects on your overall well-being. This means eating nutritious food and staying active. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet ensures you get essential vitamins and minerals. Regular light exercises such as stretching or walking keep your body agile and your mind sharp. These changes can help you manage your condition and feel much better. Monitoring your blood sugar levels and engaging in activities like yoga can help you maintain balance and reduce stress. This guide is here to help you make those changes. It provides practical advice and step-by-step instructions to help you integrate healthier habits into your life seamlessly. We'll talk about easy exercises and diet tips. Whether it's joining a group exercise class or learning how to prepare balanced meals, these tips are designed to be easy to follow and effective. These tips are backed by science. Extensive research and expert recommendations ensure that the advice you receive is reliable and beneficial. They're simple to fit into your daily routine. You don't need to make drastic changes. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant improvements over time. Remember, it's always best to talk to your doctor before making big changes. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized guidance based on your unique health needs and conditions. They can give you advice tailored to your needs. Whether it's adjusting your medication or suggesting specific dietary changes, their expertise is invaluable. Let's take charge of your health together. By working hand in hand with your healthcare team and making informed choices, you can lead a fulfilling and healthy life. Embrace the journey towards better health with confidence and enthusiasm. Walking is a fantastic form of exercise, especially beneficial for heart and diabetes patients. It's easy, safe, and accessible to almost everyone. Whether you're young or old, fit, or just starting out, walking can be tailored to suit your needs and fitness levels. One of the best things about walking is its versatility. You can do it almost anywhere. From bustling urban areas to serene nature trails, the possibilities are endless. You can even enjoy a walk in your own neighborhood, making it a convenient option for everyone. Another great advantage of walking is that you don't need any special equipment. Unlike other forms of exercise that may require expensive gear or gym memberships, walking is simple and cost-effective. All you really need is a good pair of shoes. Comfortable, supportive footwear can make all the difference, ensuring that your walks are enjoyable and pain-free. Research supports the benefits of walking. A study published in Diabetes Care showed that regular walking can significantly improve health outcomes. Specifically, it helps control blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. This simple activity can have profound effects on managing and even preventing chronic conditions. To reap the most benefits, aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. This can boost cardiovascular health, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. If 30 minutes seems daunting, don't worry. You can break it down into shorter walks throughout the day. This makes it easier to fit into a busy schedule. Even 10 minutes at a time can make a significant difference. Short, frequent walks can add up, contributing to your daily exercise goals and improving your health. If you're new to walking, start slow and gradually increase your pace and distance. Listen to your body and build up your stamina over time. This approach helps prevent injury and ensures that walking remains a sustainable and enjoyable part of your routine. Can't walk for long periods? Chair exercises are a great option. They're perfect if you have mobility issues. You can do them while sitting. This makes them easy and safe. The Journal of Physical Activity and Health highlights their benefits. Chair exercises help improve strength and flexibility. They also help with blood circulation. Try these leg raises, bicep curls, and chair squats. Do these for 10 to 15 repetitions a few times a day. Building strength is important. It helps control blood sugar and strengthens your heart. You don't need a gym membership. Start with body weight exercises. These can be done at home. Wall push-ups, for example, are great for your chest and arms. Squats work your legs and core. Even simple stretching can improve flexibility and balance. Remember, start slow and listen to your body. Rest when you need to. Even a little exercise is better than none. Section 5. Portion control. Your plate, your health. Understanding how to manage your portions is a fundamental aspect of maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle. It's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Eating healthy is key to managing heart disease and diabetes. Fresh vegetables and fruits are packed with essential nutrients that help keep your body functioning optimally. Preparing meals with these ingredients can significantly improve your overall health. One simple yet effective tip is portion control. By measuring your food portions, you can ensure that you're not overeating and that you're getting the right balance of nutrients. It means being mindful of how much food you eat at each meal. Eating mindfully involves paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food, which can enhance your eating experience and help you feel more satisfied with less food. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition emphasizes this. Research shows that mindful eating and portion control can lead to better health outcomes, including weight management and reduced risk of chronic diseases. It states that managing portion sizes can help control calorie intake and manage weight. Use smaller plates, eat slowly, and savor each bite. This can help you feel full and satisfied with less food, and pay attention to your body's hunger cues. Listening to your body can help you recognize when you're truly hungry and when you're full, preventing overeating. You can also try the plate method. This method is a simple way to ensure you're getting a balanced meal without having to measure everything. Fill half your plate with vegetables. Vegetables are low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them an essential part of any healthy diet. A quarter with lean protein. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu provide the necessary building blocks for your muscles and other tissues, and a quarter with whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole grain pasta are rich in fiber and other nutrients that support digestive health and provide sustained energy throughout the day. By following these simple guidelines, you can create meals that are not only nutritious, but also satisfying and enjoyable. Remember, your plate is a reflection of your health. Make mindful choices and take control of your portions to support a healthier, happier you. Start today by making small changes to your eating habits. Over time, these small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. Your plate, your health. Take charge and make every meal count. Section 6. Fiber up, the power of plants. Fiber is your friend. It helps control blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol. The Lancet published a study showing its importance. High-fiber diets are linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Where can you find fiber? Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are excellent sources. Add berries to your breakfast, snack on carrots and hummus, and choose brown rice over white. Section 7. Hydration. Water your way to wellness. Drinking enough water is crucial for everyone, especially those with heart and diabetes concerns. Water helps your body function properly, regulates temperature, and helps control blood sugar levels. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder. You can also opt for herbal teas or infused water for variety. Choosing healthy fats is crucial for a happy heart. Not all fats are created equal. Unsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds are beneficial for heart health. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels. It's important to limit saturated and trans fats, which are found in processed foods, fatty meats, and full-fat dairy products. Replace unhealthy fats with healthier options. Use olive oil for cooking, snack on a handful of almonds, or add avocado to your salads. Limiting sugar is essential for maintaining good health. Added sugars offer little nutritional value and can contribute to weight gain and blood sugar spikes. Be mindful of your sugar intake, especially from sugary drinks, processed snacks, and desserts. Choose naturally sweet options like fruits. Read food labels carefully and be aware of hidden sugars in sauces, condiments, and packaged foods. You don't have to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Start with 1 or 2 tips that resonate with you and gradually incorporate others into your routine. Focus on consistency rather than perfection. It's okay to have an off day now and then. The important thing is to keep moving forward and make healthy choices most of the time. Managing heart disease or diabetes might seem challenging, but remember, you've got this. By adopting these simple exercise and diet tips, you're taking proactive steps towards a healthier and happier you. Every small change you make is a victory. Celebrate your progress and remember that you're not alone on this journey. Consult your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Here's to a healthier and more vibrant you.